Hi friends, welcome back to my channel with a new video. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon, and you will get all the notifications so whenever I am uploading a new video. Okay, so in the today's session we are going to see how to read and how to read CSV and text file in the Automation Anywhere. Okay, so let's get started. So let me open Automation Anywhere. So we'll create a new task for this. So create new. Okay, so here I'll give task name as CSV, CSV or text file reading. Okay, so you can give any name. So I'll just giving as so we are using the commands, right? The CSV and text file. So that's why I'm giving CSV and text file reading. Okay, so click on create. So here we'll see. So in the accent section, you just type CSV. So here you can see all the accents which are available in the CSV or text. So close, open and read. So once you mouse over, you will see this. Close the CSV or text file, and open means specify the delimiters used in the file, whether to trim the spaces and the encoding applied on the file. Okay, and then retrieve values from the CSV or the text file. Okay, so using these three commands, we'll see how to read the data from the CSV and text file. Okay, so let's get started. So I'll use this step 1, step 2, because we need to add the comments here. In the step 1, what we'll do, first we need to open the CSV, right? Open CSV file. Okay, this is our first step. And then type CSV, and here we need to take the open command. So before that, I'll go back to our folder section. Okay, I have created one folder. So go to this folder, documents, automation anywhere, automation anywhere. So my docs, RPA. So inside this I have created CSV file folder and the text file folder. First we'll see CSV file. So if you open that one, so here you can see employee details CSV file is available. So I'll open this file. So here inside this file you can see some of the details of the employees. Okay, first name, last name, gender and age. Okay, this file we need to read. Okay, this is the CSV file. So what I will do, I will take this file path. Okay, take this copy as path and then go back to automation anywhere and click on this desktop. Okay, so once you click on this desktop option, so you need to paste that copied file path. Remove that double quote, and here contains header. That file is having the headers, so that's why I'm selecting this contains header. And after opening this one, we need to read this. So inside that CSV only read. Session name I'm giving default. You can give CSV file. Okay, here also we need to give same. I'll just copy this session name. File opening also we need to give this session and read. So here we need to create one variable. I'll create one variable table from CSV. Okay, we table from CSV I'm creating. And after that, now we need to take the loop command. So we need to loop that data inside that file, right? So one by one it has to read. So that's why we need to take a loop. For each row in a CSV or text file, we need to select from this iteration. Okay, so here you can see that option. For each row in a CSV or text file, you need to select, and session name is CSV file. And then click on this record, and you need to create one more variable. So CSV text row. Okay, and now you take one message box here. So how to read data from that CSV we'll see. So we have created one variable called vcsv or text row, right? We need to select that VCSV text row. So by name means, so you need to give the name of that. One second, I'll show you. Okay. So by index means that is 0, 1, 2, 3 you need to give. By name means, so whatever the header names which is available in the CSV, so that we need to give. So I'll selecting the index name, click on insert. Okay, so let me open that file. By name means, so this is the name, first name and last name. So by giving this name also you can read that. By giving the index name also you can read this. So index name is, this column is 0 and this one is 1 and this gender column is 2 and this age is 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. So like that we need to specify by index. So I'm using that index only, by index only. So this is first name, right? So you can give first name, that is label. Okay, same way you copy this and I'm just pasting it for 4 times because first name, last name, gender and age, 4 columns are there, right? Gender and age. But here we need to change the index value. Now the first row is, the first name index is 0 and the second last name row is 1 and this one is 2 and this one is 3. Okay, so now save this and if you run this bot, so what it will do, it will open the CSV file and it will read the data from that CSV. So it is going to display all the values in the message box. Okay, see here the first name, last name, gender and age it is displaying. Okay, so that's why we need to read the data from the CSV file. So now I'll showcase to you one more option here. Okay, so now so we'll see how to read data from the text file. Okay, so the same step we'll copy again. Okay, we'll change that values. The step 1. In step 1 we saw how to use this CSV. So now we'll see how to read data from the text file. I'll just comment this one, first one, disable this line. So instead of open CSV, I'll give text open text file. Correct. Okay, so here we need to change that path of that. So go back to this folder, text file. We need to take path of this, copy as path, and come here. So instead of this CSV, we need to remove this CSV file path and give that text file path and keep as it is. Contents header is same. No, it is not required actually. Okay. Keep it, not a problem. And then read. Okay. Then this counter variable, it is not required. And this incrementing of counter value is also not required because it is not the CSV file. So in the text file, we need to display, right? So what I'll give, so I'll just take that. Okay, CSV or TXT file row by index is 0 because only it is considering as first index in the text file. Okay, so now run the bot, so it will display one by one row in the message box. So text file it is going to read Priya, Jain, female and 30. Okay, second, third and fourth. So that's why we need to use this read data from the text file. Okay,